Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll be addressing a common issue that many of you might have encountered while trying to upgrade to Windows 11. It's the dreaded TPM 2.0 and secure boot error message. We've got a solution that should help you get past this hurdle. So, let's dive right in. Open your browser and type Avail Media Creation Tool GitHub into the search bar. You'll see the GitHub page as the first result. Click on that link to access it. Once you're on the Avail GitHub page, look for the Bypass 11 folder and click on it. This folder contains the files you'll need to bypass the TPM 2.0 and secure boot checks. In the Bypass 11 folder, you'll find several files. Click on the third one, which is named Skips TPM Check on Dynamic Update.cmd. This is the file that will help us bypass the checks. When you click on the file, it will open in your browser with a code. Copy the entire code in Notepad on your computer and paste the copied file with a single quotes.cmd extension. You can choose any name you like. Now, navigate to the location where you saved the single quotes.cmd file. Double-click on it to run the file. A command prompt window will open, displaying a message that says waiting for 5 seconds. Press any key to continue. Now, you can run the Windows 11 Media Creation Tool setup as you normally would. Follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll find that the error is gone. And that's it. You've successfully bypassed the TPM 2.0 and secure boot checks and fixed the Windows 11 install error. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.